Hello everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to fix Snapchat SS06 error. So let's start the video. So first of all, what you have to do, open your mobile settings. Scroll down. Now here you'll see the option of Apps. Click on it. Click on Manage Apps. Now search here Snapchat. Click on it. Now click on Storage, and then click on Manage Space. Now you have to clear the cache and other app data. It'll not delete snaps that you saved to camera roll and other app data. Just click on Delete. And now, what you have to do, log in your account, and you'll not see the error. So this is how you can fix it. I hope this video was helpful. Subscribe to the channel for more videos.